Hey, here's my Ring camera that I just bought. This model in particular is the Spotlight Cam Plus. Here's everything that came in the box. Comes with some mounting hardware, a security screw. Here's your bracket that you're gonna screw into whatever wall you're gonna put this on. Here's the camera itself. Here's the protective cover on it. I'm gonna leave that on for now until I install it. To access the battery, you twist, pull off. Here's your battery. And as far as the battery, this does come with a charging cord, so you would need to take this out, charge it. Here's the back plate mounted to my garage, and the mounting bracket slides right on. The camera easily connects to the mounting bracket. It also allows you to adjust it in many different directions, very easy. And here's a live feed from my camera that I downloaded from the Ring app.